Let's say we want some parts of the text to stand out, like highlighting my programming experience. Select the text fragment, press Ctrl-Shift and P to open Command Palette, and search for Emmet, wrap with abbreviation. Type B and press Enter. The B tag stands for bold, making the text inside the tag bold. Now, I want my name to be in italics. Follow the same steps. Select the text, press Ctrl-Shift and P, and choose Wrap with abbreviation. This time, wrap the text in the I tag for italics. The I tag makes the selected text italicized. Let's underline some text as well. For example, lorem ipsum. The U tag stands for underline and it is used to underline the text inside of it. Now, let's add a new line after the first sentence of the second paragraph. Type BR and press Enter. The text after this sentence will now appear on a new line. The BR tag stands for line break. It is a self-enclosing tag, meaning it doesn't need a closing tag, similar to the HR horizontal rule element. Here are main takeaways. Bold. Use the B tag to make text bold. Italics. Use the I tag to italicize text. Underline. Use the U tag to underline text. And line break. Use the self-enclosing BR tag to insert a new line.